Welcome to Computer Aided Automation YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Dask and its usage in real-life problems. In this video, we'll explore how Dask, a powerful parallel computing library, can be used to solve real-life problems efficiently. Dask is a flexible library for parallel computing in Python. It is designed to scale from a single machine to a large cluster, making it ideal for handling large datasets and computationally intensive tasks. Today, we'll demonstrate how Dask can be used to tackle real-life problems. Our first real-life problem is analyzing large datasets. Dask can handle datasets that are too large to fit into memory by breaking them into smaller, manageable chunks. Let's see how it works. Here's a simple Dask program to analyze a large dataset. We'll read a CSV file, perform some basic operations, and compute the results. To download the source codes for this video, I will provide the link in the description. Next, let's solve the problem of processing data in parallel. Dask allows you to perform computations on large datasets efficiently by utilizing multiple cores. Here's an example. We'll create a Dask data frame and apply a custom function to process data in parallel. As you can see, Dask is a versatile tool that can solve a variety of problems by efficiently handling large datasets and parallelizing computations. It allows you to handle large datasets and perform computations efficiently by leveraging multiple cores. Today, we'll demonstrate how Dask can be used to transform and analyze a large dataset. We'll start by creating a large synthetic dataset. This dataset will have 1 million rows and 3 columns: user ID, age, and transaction amount. Let's see how it's done in Python. Next, we'll convert our pandas data frame to a Dask data frame. This allows us to partition the data and perform parallel computations. Now, let's perform some data transformations and analysis. We'll compute the total transaction amount for each user, the average transaction amount per age group, and add a new column indicating if the transaction amount is above average. After completing our transformations, we'll save the results to a CSV file. This allows us to use the transformed data for further analysis or reporting. Dask is a powerful tool for handling large datasets and performing complex transformations and analysis in parallel. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more programming tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.